Hey everybody, welcome back to the best U.S. Mint news channel on YouTube. I'm Son of a Silver Stacker. Today's date is the 2nd of January, 2025. In this video, we're going to be talking about two things that are very important to today's date. Number one, we have that Clad price increase, as well as the commemorative for the Marine Corps drop today. So that's going to be a huge, huge day for the United States Mint. And then in, I guess, less than a week from today, we have that fund show coming out. So yeah, it might be the start of a new year, but things are just getting ramped up for 2025. So this is pretty exciting. Now, before any of that, if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to get to a bazillion subs. It's actually a mighty big number. Not sure exactly what that number is, but it's got to be ginormous. Also, guess what? We're always live, never edited, and always unscripted. I never know what I'm going to say. Or I never know what I'm not going to say. Now, over here to moneymetals.com, and no, they don't pay me. It looks like we got a mixed bag today. Gold up 17.85 to 26.54.55. I just saw that change at the last second there. Silver up 49 cents to 29.59. Platinum up 5.45 to 9.31.50. And palladium getting closer to that parity action with platinum down $1 to 9.44.80. And Dr. Copper. There you are. And there is an explanation for Dr. Copper. It's down a penny. And what that is, it's a gauge on the economy, right? So here we go. This is an in-stock American Silver Eagle whose premium is much higher, by about 50 cents or so, than the 2024 American Silver Eagle. And this one's not even in stock yet. It's a pre-sale. For quantity 1 through 39, you'll pay $36.68, and they'll buy them back for $30.70 each. Now, over here to the Mint's webpage. Yay! All right, here we are. So this is the landing page of the United States Mints, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. I love that. Where do they get that from? It's just huge. All right, here we go. Clad price. Product increase, right? Or Clad product price increases effective January 2nd, 2025. I'm not geeked up about this. Let's just keep it on. And here we are, Clad pricing increase. And I'll just go over this real quick, like effective the morning of January 2. That already happened at 12 a.m. Eastern time. Product prices for rolls, bags, and boxes of coins and ornaments will increase by 5%, and all other Clad products will increase by 15%. Okay, prices for all Clad subscription products released after January 2, 2025 will be impacted by this change. And look at all this extra room here. Don't you think they could add a picture of the Honorable Ventress Gibson with a big smile and a thumbs up, like going, yeah! All right. So let's keep on keeping on. Let's go here. So here we are at the rolls, bags, and boxes of coins. And if you do collect the American Innovation coins, and let's say you collect the bags or the rolls, well, if you collect the rolls, that's $14 more per year, because they used to be $34.50. All right, it went up by $1.75, and then the bags went up by about $6, I believe, and that is $48 more per year additional, and you're not getting any other extra products. That's just the extra cost per year. And I got to tell you, the Mint is part of the Treasury Department, and they know what's going down with the economy, I would imagine, before anybody. And if they see inflation on the rise at 15%, all right, and 5% here, well, I would say that it's probably coming down the pike, but that's just my opinion. I'm welcome to it, and you are as well. So look at this. The most expensive product, you're looking at this. These are going to be the boxes of the, look, George W. Bush coin right there, 304, as well as the Native American boxes at $304 as well. Now, check this out. Now, I think this is going to be a problem this year. You know, all right, here's the big question. With today's price hike, another price hike, how far will sales slide for the United States Mint? I mean, I got to ask. Here we are. We're at the American Women Quarters featuring Celia Cruz. $42 right there to $63. Last year, the Mint raised the price to $60 for that 3-roll set. Well, now we're at $63. And I got to ask the question, well, let's just say you were a flipper and you decided to sell these 2024 PDS rolls on eBay. Well, what is the sold price that you're realizing? Well, you'd have to go down a few days here. And I do have here shipping lowest. I probably shouldn't. I probably should have most recent. But either way, I think this does tell the story. I'd have to go all the way down. Look at this. There's a 2-roll set for $45, $7.50 shipping. Here we go. 3-roll set for $69.85 with free shipping and free returns. And last time I checked, it was $60, so there's $9.85. And then eBay is going to take their 14%, and then PayPal or other things, and then you got to ship it. You see what's going on here. These are not Flipper's Paradise coins at all. And I think the Mint knows that, and probably that may be why they have increased the mintages for these particular coins, because they see people, and I may be wrong about that, but they do admit that they watch the secondary market like a hawk. Okay, so that's interesting. Let's keep on keeping on. Now, here we are. We're at the annual sets for the Clad coinage, and I can tell you, I was looking through these and I was like, hey, wait a minute. You got to see this. All right, so check this out. We got 2024 proof set. It is sold out. It's not available, right? Same thing. Two things. Redundancy is nice. Here we have a limited for the uncirculated coin set of 2024. We have no legendado, no legends here at all for the proof set, the silver proof set of 2021. I thought that was odd. And then here we have the 2021, and no legends here, although we do have a legend here, limited for 2024, and 2023 is limited, 2023 is limited, 2023 is limited, and 2022 is limited, and 2021 is not limited. Well, apparently, there's a reason why 2021 has so much product. It's because of 2020. And if you did not collect Mint products back in 2020, well, you got to know that there was a limited amounts. It was like a limited release that year. And some of the products from 2020 are very, very expensive. Now, what's interesting about this particular page is that, yeah, we are seeing a price hike. And I got to tell you, initially, when I saw this, I was like, wait a minute. Didn't the United States Mint raise the price for the uncirculated coin set like 4 years in a row? And they almost have. And check this out. And how is this? Now, I got to ask the question here. The uncirculated coin set of 2021, it's 33.25. It has two quarters in it, right? The Washington Crossing, the Delaware quarter, and the Tuskegee Airmen quarter. And it doesn't have, the 5 quarters of the American Women quarters does, or it doesn't even have the American the Beautiful full 5 quarters for 2020, 2019, and so on and so forth. So how is it justified that the Mint can charge $33.25? Is it the point of sale system where everything has to be the same, or could they have made this, $30.25? I don't know. I think that's pretty interesting, though, how they have done that. And there's no rhyme or reason. It really isn't. Now, let's go to Coin News real quick here. I want to show you something from May 22nd, 2019. U.S. Mint Sales 2019 Uncirculated Set Coin Debut. All right. And this, I'm going to demonstrate that the Mint has actually raised prices and lowered prices in the past. And I think this article by Mike Unser is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, here we go. So it says here the 2019 Mint set sold for $21.95, had 20 coins, not including the bonus W cent. That was awesome. Right? Look at this, 2018 there. You're looking at 21.95, but look at this, 2016 had 26.95, but that wasn't the height of it, folks. In 2010, the Mint was charging 31.95. So I guess that begs the question, if the Mint was charging that much back at 12, 15, 14 years ago, isn't 33.25 reasonable then? I would think so, right? So it seems to me the Mint, but look at, they get 28 coins, right? So 28 coins there, and you don't get 28 coins here. So, yeah, it's a hard pill to swallow, right? So it doesn't justify. Look at this one. Look at this one here. 36 coins, and you got 27.95. So you've got more coins, and you'd have to pay less. So yeah, it's something the Mint obviously struggles with. All right. Easily since 2007 about raising prices and even lowering prices. And do you think we would even see lower prices going forward, right? Maybe next year or the year after? I think that's a really great question. Now, let's go to the next article here. U.S. Mint raises prices on selected 2023 product offerings. And this is from Paul Gilks from Coin World, published February 17, 2023. All right, almost 2 years ago now. And it says here, the United States Mint announced online February 8 via the Federal Register that the Bureau has raised prices on more than 20 numismatic products involving 2023 U.S. coins. And if you can see here, uncirculated coin set, yeah, went from 25.25 to 29. And we were at what in 2019? 21.95 to 25.25, then $29. I mean, I'm telling you, there's a lot going on. And shortly after this, okay, the United States Mint said, you know what? We're going to raise prices on all of our silver products. And so they did that as well. So, and ever since all these price hikes have been going on, I want to tell you, it's clear that prices have gone up. All right, no doubt about it. This is what's new. Press releases 2021 United States Mint uncirculated set available September 28, and it dropped right there for 25.25, like I showed you. Isn't that interesting? Now let's keep on keeping on. So yeah, the Mint has really nailed, and they've done a great job putting all those prices on all these particular coins. I think that's a priority for them, no doubt about it. But what doesn't seem like a priority, well, is this item right here, data. I don't think data is important to the. It's not a priority. And regrettably, for my situation, for what I do here, and I report to you every day, this is crucial to me. And I got to tell you, we know from an article from Mark Unser over there at coinnews.net that this is closer to probably 70 million than we are at 36.7 million. And maybe it's because we are entering the new year and there's probably people on vacation. Well, but this was broken before vacation, right? So that makes you wonder, because look at this. Check this out. Here we go again. We're the cumulative sales figures, and it seems like the Mint is skipping every other week reporting data and then reporting it. So we have December 9th's report, okay? We have December 16th report. We have December 23rd's report, and it did take some time to get that out. But if we wanted to get the data for this last week's sales for December 30th, no report found. What's up with that? We got bupkis. Not sure exactly what's going on there. And you'd think it would be a priority for the United States Mint because these numbers are vital to investors, flippers, and numismatists for determining demand, right? That's huge. Let's keep on keeping on. And here we go. Shop all commemoratives. And this happens today at noon, okay? We have the price for the U.S. Marine Corps 250th anniversary. Proof silver dollar, that's $91. Proof half dollar is $56. Look at this, that 3-coin proof set, $1,017. Random price should be $10.25. Right here, U.S. Marine Corps, $89.50 for the uncirculated silver dollar, $54 for the uncirc half dollar, $8.65 for the proof $5 coin, and $8.45 or $8.55 for the uncirculated. So $10 less. Isn't that something? Now, one last thing before we go to the plus ones. Bingo! Hey, what's this? Well, this is a free coin giveaway. Number 569 over there at CoinWeek, and I will leave a link in the description. This is a CAC holder, Mint State 70 2024, Silver Eagle, first delivery. And all you got to do is enter your email there. And there's 3 days, 16 hours, 48 minutes, and 30 seconds left to enter this contest. Entries into this contest will be accepted from Sunday, December 29th until 10 p.m. on Sunday, January 5th. Good luck, folks. I hope you score this eagle right here. That would be really, you know what, cool. Now, here we are. This is the plus one action. This is the golden mean. I think if you wanted to ask maybe the meaning of life, in my opinion, and the meaning of life, or the golden mean, according to Yosef. And I figured this means like the head of the school, gaon. Anyway, the golden mean is to love this world, do good in life, and aspire to the world to come. Now, I got to tell you, seeing how it's the second day of January 2025, this might be a nice place to jump off, right? The golden mean is to love this world, love the world, do good in life, and aspire to the world to come. I think that's magical. Now, with that said, let's go over to 395 99.9 KOIN Coin News Radio. This is AHA, Take On Me, live from MTV Unplugged. It's really cool, actually. And I think they even played it on Sirius XM radio and whatnot. And, well, there it is, folks. I want to thank you all for coming. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you do like what you hear and see, sub the channel. It's absolutely free. Also, what's not free, if you want to spend a little didge on me to help these videos come out each and every single morning, you can spend $1.99. It's one of the least expensive memberships on YouTube. It's the price of a cheap cup of coffee, and it does support these videos each and every single day. Stacker out.